What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick.
My name's Nathan.
And this is Throttle Cars. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review and an install of a ceramic coating by Hydrosilex. It is a recharge and rewind wipes. We're going to be doing a clean on the Jeep here, and then we're going to be applying this ceramic coating. If you are interested, be sure to go down. There is a link in the description to go check out this product, the Rewind and Recharge wipes from Hydrosilex. Then we'll be doing a review on how well these wipes did. But without further ado, we'll go ahead and wash the Jeep. Alright guys, so we got this all cleaned up and dried off. We're going to move on to the wipes over here. Let me grab them real quick. So you first start with the Rewind. It is a wax and grease remover. You go panel by panel. As you go, you'll see in the clips, but we're just going to do a time lapse of doing this. You go panel by panel, and you start with one towel, and then as soon as you finish that panel, go back over it with a microfiber cloth to get rid of any remnants left on there. And then you just, again, as I said, go panel by panel. As soon as this one is out or dry, just switch over to the next one. And then once you've done all panels with these two rewind wipes, then you move on to the recharge wipes, which is the actual ceramic coating for the vehicle. But we'll do these wipes, and then we will get back to you with these.
Yeah, guys, and another just important detail on the instructions that you're supposed to do. Hydrosilex specifically mentions in the instructions that you're supposed to use a waving motion, not a circular, not an up and down motion. I guess the products just work the best whenever you do that, but we will get straight into it. Alright guys, so what we just did is put on the rewind wipes. Rewinded time, you could say, to take off the grease, wax, and dirt off of this vehicle. And it honestly looks great. Like, I did not expect it to shine this much, but even while I was doing it, I thought that there was something crawling up the vehicle. It was shining so much when it was actually just my head reflecting off of the light. So this looks beautiful, and now we're going to put the recharged ceramic coating on it to give it that hydrophobic look. Okay guys, so we just applied the recharge to this vehicle and it is shining like crazy. It looks so good. You guys can see my reflection and this black on the vehicle, and then you can actually see the red Dodge in the background. You can almost read the Ram 2500 through the reflection. I can pretty easily just being here looking at it. But if you check this out, it is just sparkling like new. And we will actually, in a little bit, throw some water on it and see if that hydrophobic coating, this ceramic coating here, did its job, so water will just run off of it and it won't get baked into the vehicle whenever it rains.
Alright guys, so we just finished up installing the ceramic coating wipes, the recharge wipes. Just look at this nice reflection on here. I am very pleased with how this turned out. It is shining like it's brand new. Also, it's got the hydrophobic coating as well. If I just spray this with some water, you can check it out how it just beads up like that and falls right off. It all clumps together and drips right off. So for comparison's sake, we got the 2500 Ram right here. We're just going to spray the side of this, and you can see that it all, like, still all together there. And compared to the beading up over here. We'll just show it one more time. As you can see, it does start out that way, and then it just beads up and closes in together. It works very well. I am very pleased with this product. It's really a pretty cheap product and extremely easy to do yourself. All you have to do is follow the directions, and really all you have to do is just wipe it down by panel and go right back over it with a microfiber cloth so you don't let it dry on there. But this really shouldn't take you very long, especially if your car's already pretty clean. You will want to make sure you do clean off your car before starting the rewind and recharge wipes.
Alright guys, so one more time, I just really want to emphasize how good of a job that these wipes did on the vehicle. The Hydrosilex Rewind and Recharge wipes just made this shine in such a reflective way that you can even see the clouds perfectly coming off of this hood. If you guys want some of these products for yourself to get your vehicle shining like new, then use the link in the description to get these wipes, and then actually you can use the code FULLTHROTTLE to get your first wipe for free with the price of shipping as your only expense.
Alright guys, if you thought this video was informative and helpful, be sure to leave a comment down below. Also, if you are interested in getting this ceramic coating yourself, the Hydrosilex Rewind plus Recharge wipes, again, use the link in the description as well as code FULLTHROTTLE to get your order free with the cost of shipping. And this is an extremely easy do-it-yourself kind of thing. That is one of their main focus points for this product, and it does a great job for being a really easy DIY thing. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye guys.